Today we are going to identify numbers. We have done numbers, number names. Yes? Now, looking at the picture, count, and you will identify the number and that number's name you're going to put. Okay? So there's a lot of things we are going to do. First, looking, counting, identifying, putting the correct spelling. A lot of things we are doing through this exercise. Okay? Mainly numbers and its name should be correct. Look, let's look at our first picture. See what we have. Look, first we have a picture. Lots of cups are there. Let us count. What are these? Cups. So we write here cups. Now we must count how many. There are green and red and black and blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? What's the number? 4. What is the spelling? F O U R. 4. So we looked at the picture, identify the item, that is cups. How many cups? 4. Yes, very good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's look at another picture. It's very interesting. Look now. So colorful, isn't it? What are these? Cushions. Where do you use them? On the sofas. Yes. Cushions. These are cushions. How beautiful, colorful cushions. Let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. How do you spell 5? F I V E. 5. Good. So you have cushions numbering 5. And here is the spelling. Did you enjoy? So colorful. Identifying, counting, writing. Yes? Good. Let's look at our next picture. What is this? What are these? Apples. What are these? Like to eat apples? Juicy, crunchy. Yes, these are apples. Now let's see how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in number? 6. How do you spell 6? S-I-X. 6. Very good. Apples, 6 numbers. Good. Identified the item and counted the number. Very good. Let's look at our next picture. See what you have here. Good. You love this? Yeah, lovely. Country eggs. How many? What are these? Eggs. So we write here eggs. Now we count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many eggs are there? 4. Spell 4. F O U R. 4. How many eggs? 4. Good. Are you enjoying identifying the item, counting the number? Good. Let's look at another new picture. Look at this. Colorful balloons. What are they? Balloons. Love balloons? Where do you use balloons? At the party, yes. On special days, yes. On festivals, on birthdays, we use balloons for decoration. Now, balloons. Let's count. How many in number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? 5. Spell 5. F I V E. 5. Good. Good. So we learn to identify the item, count the item, write the spelling correctly. Numbers. How many numbers? Okay. Good. Let's look at another new picture. See what you have here. You love this? Love to eat bananas? Yeah, they're good for health. These are bananas. So we write down here, identify the item as bananas. You find bananas different colors. Green ones, yellow ones like this, red ones too. Yes? Have you seen? Good. So here these are bananas. Now we need to count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? There are 4 in all. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. Let's go to another picture. See what you have. What are these? Books. What are these? Books. Now, you write down here, they are books. Now we need to find out how many books are there in that pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in the pile of this book? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Spell 5. F-I-V-E. 5. There's a pile of 5 books. Good. Let's get on to another picture. See what you have here. Wow, you'll have to eat burgers. Huge burgers like this. You have bun and then you have butter and there's cutlet and vegetable whatnot. Oh, it looks yummy. Very huge, isn't it? What are these? Burgers. Yeah, you go to the hotel and tell, Mama, I want burgers. It's very tasty. Let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3. How many in number? 3. Spell 3. T-H. R-E-E. 3. Good. Very good. Identified the item, counted and wrote the spelling correctly. Very good. Are you enjoying? Let's look at another picture. Look what you have here. What are they? Flower pots. Yes. Shall we count the pots? These are all pots. You can put mud in it, put a plant and keep it on your veranda, on the wall. It looks very pretty. Let's count the number of pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total of 9. Spell 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Good. So we have 9 mud flower pots here. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. What is it? Crayons. What do you use the crayons for? For coloring. Yes? When you have something nice picture, you fill in colors. And you enjoy doing so. Let's count. These are crayons. What are they? Let's count all the crayons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many in number? 8. There are 8 crayons. Spell 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. There are 8 crayons for you to use in your coloring book. Yes? Lovely. Good. Are you enjoying identifying, counting, writing the number name correctly? Good. Let's go on to another picture. See what you have here. Oh, your favorite. Lots of teddies. What are they? Teddies, both big and small. Let's count them carefully. Okay? These are teddies. Let's count them from the big to the smallest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's a tiny one here. 6 teddies, yes. There are 6 teddies in this picture. One tiny one here and one big one at the back. Spell 6. S-I-X. 6. So you learn to count. Excellent. Let's take another picture. Look what you have. What do you use this for? These are caps. You put on this hat to go out in a hot sun. Yes? So these are hats and you count them and see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hats are there? There are 4 hats. Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. What do you do with the hats? You put it on when you go out on a sunny day or a rainy day to keep your head from heat or rain. 4. So there are 4 colorful hats in this picture. Good. Let's get on to another picture. Look what you have here. Lovely, juicy, fresh. What are they? Tomatoes. Excellent. These are tomatoes. Have you seen it growing in your garden? Yes. Tomatoes. Shall we count the tomatoes? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are they altogether? There are 5 ripe red tomatoes. Spell 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Good. So these are lovely fresh tomatoes and they are 5 in number and you wrote the 5 correctly. Good. Let's take another new picture. Look what you have here. Look at this. Where do you get this? You get this in your book. When you've done a good job, teacher put the star into your book. Yes, stars. They are stars. When do you put up stars at home? During festival, Christmas time. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars are there? 6. Spell 6. S-I-X. 6. Very good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Identifying, counting? Good.